Hey, everybody out there. How are you today, this fine Friday on April 19th, 2024 in Central Standard Time? It is 4:35 p.m. I'm going to wait to see if anybody comes on. I'll give a couple minutes and we'll wait. I can start by introducing myself. My name is Dr. Aquina Render. I go by Dr. Queen. Um, I created Crazy Acting Channel just as a way to explore the different things that people may see out of other humans um, throughout the day and to um, kind of create discussion about that, right? So I did that. And then I began to kind of switch gears. Um, Started a new business called Fortnex Coaching. My history is in I was a licensed professional counselor here in the Midwest for several years. Um, I've done training and development, instructional design. I've also mentored and coached various people, whether it was in the corporate world or in day to day community based settings. I enjoy really just helping people and helping them find solutions. So today we are going to discuss about the truth about job searching using LinkedIn. Um, I found an interesting tip um, that I uh, discovered, right? Uh, and people have been saying, hey, you need to network, you need to find a way to just really, you know, if you want to move within, different organizations or have business job opportunities, it's better to just network, right? So I was really, really intrigued by that. So um, I had a recent job layoff a couple months ago, found another opportunity that was only for like 45 days, a month and a half. Then now I've just been like, I really have various gifts, talents, and abilities related to um, really supporting people and helping them get to their next, right? As you see in my various videos, which I'll post little short videos to that I've been posting the short videos that some of you all probably have seen in the YouTube shorts, just various questions because I found that people they really they really have been throughout my life just telling me, hey, you ask really good questions, and it's been things that I've been thinking about, and um it'll be good that you continue to ask those questions. So I just said, hey, why don't I just turn that into uh uh kind of like a brand and just pitch questions to people. And I saw that I was getting some pretty good engagement considering this is a fairly, really new channel, um, pretty much a baby channel. Um, it is definitely something that I want to actually speak to those various things, um, different things that have to do with, why certain people look at certain people a certain way if they're homeless, or why do different corporations, why are they kind of turning a blind eye towards um, work from home opportunities, which actually gives people an opportunity to have work life balance and still get the job done that they were given. So with those various questions that you probably have seen, I'm going to come out with some short videos to speak to that, right? So, in any case, um, let's get started kind of like on the topic of today. So, today, as I mentioned, we'll be talking about job searching, right? When you search for a job, you want to make sure that you are networking. You're not just submitting your applications into an abyss of no return, but you're also potentially reaching out to those hiring managers or going to your networking community to see if they have any opportunities. And you'll be surprised that some people they know your work and they may be able to point you in the right direction, or some will just say, "Hey, we'll um we'll just give you an opportunity." So, with that said, my quick story is that I I went on LinkedIn and I basically, after having been layoff, I finally, after a couple months, decided to put a post out there. You know, some people are on LinkedIn and they put like this long post like, I recently was left my job and I was laid off, and in that job I was doing this, this, and this. Now I'm looking for this opportunities. And, let me know if any of you all know, right? So I used to look at that and be like, okay, that kind of seems lame. But you know what happened? I I finally did that. And I was reached out to so far. I did it probably like yesterday or day before. I was reached out to so far by two people. Now, in my metrics, just about uh, I believe like 525 people saw the post. That those were the impressions on LinkedIn. But then I got contacted by actually three people who were interested in either in the services I provide as far as life coaching, career coaching, performance coaching, as well as um, two people contact for that, and another person contacted about an opportunity. So I came on here just to tell you all to don't be afraid to actually put yourself out there about your situation. Um, be succinct. If you want to go into a long post, apparently on LinkedIn, people read those long posts and they really are engaged, and you never know, you might get reached out to. So I want to show you all something on how to, if you're feeling stuck, here's something that you can do to basically spice up your search, right? So I'm going to share my screen and we're going to use um, good old, similar to ChatGPT, we're going to use good old Gemini, right? So you can see my screen. This is where I'm at. Here I'll go a bit more. Okay. So, basically, if you're feeling stuck on your job search, um, you could look on ask either ChatGPT or Gemini a question. So let's ask Gemini the question about how do I search for jobs on LinkedIn? Okay, so as you can see, it's loading and you see the information here, what it says. LinkedIn offers a robust job search function with multiple avenues to find your perfect opportunity. See, you're utilizing the job boards. Most straightforward, you navigate to the jobs tab on LinkedIn homepage, enter relevant keywords, and that's how you are able to get job alerts and apply for different roles, right? Um, one thing I learned about LinkedIn was that you could basically make edits to it just like you would when you are kind of building your Facebook business page or your regular Facebook page, or building your Twitter, and also building your YouTube channel, right? So you can you can find ways to to make updates to your profile visibility by adding things to the background of it. As this says, ensure your profile is up to date and optimized with relevant keywords. I get a lot of contact for from various recruiters because I put keywords like change management, learning and development. Um, I get a lot of those things. And then you want to make sure that you network. And that is what I want to share with you all. So thank you so much for your time today. And make sure if you have any questions about coaching, email us at affirmationsforanxiety@gmail for more details. Thank you so much for watching.